Hey guys, today let's learn how to post long videos over on your Facebook story. So if you guys are wondering how to post some long videos longer than the limit that Facebook allows on your Facebook story, in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So in order for us to accomplish this, of course, we do need to make sure of a few things. Number one is we have the latest version, or we are currently using the latest version of the Facebook application. And once you have that down, let's go ahead and launch the application real quick. And then what I want you guys to basically do is to proceed to basically going on and posting a story over on your Facebook story. So basically the limit is around 20 to 30 seconds, but if you'd like to go ahead and edit this and basically exceed this limit, what we can actually do is to proceed with, instead of posting our story through Messenger, I would like you guys to proceed with posting your story through Facebook. So you could actually go ahead and tap on your Facebook application, tap on create a story, choose your specific video that you'd like to go ahead and post. And basically, instead of posting or using the camera options to take the video through Facebook to upload your story, go ahead and use a specific video that you have pre-recorded and then upload it through here. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and go through my videos, and I'm going to go ahead and post, let's say, this 1 minute long video that I basically have, and I'm going to go ahead and post maybe this video right here. And all right, so what we need to go ahead and do is to tap on share, and it's basically going to go ahead and be posted even if it is 1 minute long. And it's that easy, guys. All we need to do is to utilize the gallery options and pre-record the video beforehand and proceed with posting it onto your story. Now, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.